Today's like the most homesick so far. We only have 1 or 2 days left to go, depending how fast we can make it down the creek. I'm hoping by like midday tomorrow, going off the maps we provided, we could make it.
For my phone, I haven't been reaching for it, but I have been missing it. I think just more for the like social contact with my friends and family. It's really weird not speaking to them. I'm honestly so glad I've done this experience and just seeing how much I am actually capable of. And I think a lot of people underestimated me. But I'm like, you know what, I can do all this. I can do all this with flying colours, and I'm so proud of myself. Definitely out farming country now. Toto, I don't even think we're in Kansas anymore. I have no idea where we are. I have no idea. I know I'm on Bendigo Creek River, but I have no idea where I am. For this part, I'm not using my oar. I'm actually just grabbing onto the grass. Oh, thank God there's no more trees. I'm so happy about that. I think today's gonna be a good day. I'm pulling. This is honestly so much fun. Spider.
We're going for a few hours. It's just so smooth. No logs like previously. Alright, go.
Another dead fish.
Yeah, scoop it up a bit more.
Oh, it's moving!
Get that on video?
Yeah.
Where are we?
We've started from here this morning and we're just actually over here. We need to go across over here to our next challenge. So I've got a question. Is there actually black sheep?
Black sheep.
Yeah, because you know Baba black sheep.
You reckon we're going to be sharing? I reckon we are.
Or maybe going on the track.
There's just all I'm hearing is sheep.
My name's Kai. I'm Alice.
I'm Jessie.
Hello, lovely to meet you. We're marking lambs, which means, so first we've drafted all the lambs off from the ewes. Yeah, they get an ear tag, so every farmer's got their own ear tag, so that shows like where they're from and when you go to sell them and everything, like they can scan that.
This one's called Mary.
Yep.
So does the creek affect like the farming and what you're doing here?
When we had them floods a couple of years ago, we had probably 70% of the farm all went underwater, and
Wow.
it just looked like a big lake, like just so much of the farm, like just thousands of acres.
Yeah.
As long as you know it's coming, you can prepare, it's not too bad, but it definitely, like just the amount of pastures and crops it destroys, it's just really sad.
Yeah, right.
Got some free water here.
I never want to see you do that ever again.
Back onto the creek.
Challenge done. So yeah, we're gonna head out onto the water. Hopefully it stays clear. It was raining earlier.
I'm a kayaking creek. I'm literally kayaking from Bendigo Creek River to my river. What are you guys doing? I am a kayaker now. I'm doing it. Look at me, look at my muscles. I've been doing this for 4 hours. I've been doing this for 4 hours. And look at me. So beautiful.
Where the water level sits when it really rains, really floods. You can see even all through these trees here off the bank, it comes up high. This whole place is underwater.
Just seeing those water markings is honestly insane, because that means all this farmland that's around us would have been underwater as well.
But it is beautiful to just drift along. This is the widest channel we've come across. Sometimes I wonder if I've watched too many horror movies, the way I just can picture this huge crocodile just coming out and snapping me in half, but it really does feel like that we're in a completely different location. Like, this isn't even Victoria anymore, honestly. Or maybe this is the Victoria that we've lost. This is how it should be.
That's so cool. I just saw a platypus. This beautiful river. I'm honestly, I'm lost for words.
Look at this big guy. Look at his neck. Absolutely tiny. It's right there. It's insane. There he goes.
These are the tomatoes that Peter was giving us yesterday.
Those ones were dried. These ones are It's starting to rain again. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to whip out a quick water test in case it gets too wet.
pH is looking like 6.
Jessie's just getting in behind me. We've had to shift up a bit. Drag our kayaks a good 30 minutes. We are so sore. This is awesome. Look at this green grass.
Hey guys, we just got off Bendigo Creek River.
Just put up the Terek NCR. We're just checking out this beautiful painting here on this wall. How awesome is it?
It's stunning.
What's this one here?
Isn't it the Plains Wanderer?
Do you reckon it's the scale?
It'd be a bit scary.
Literally, we have found a portal in the middle of nowhere to get to construction workers. I'm jumping in it. I didn't even care. This is freedom. This is love. This is life. Oh my god. Holy grail.
This is so beautiful though. Honestly, how lucky we are in Australia. Am I good to go? That was not me.
That's us into bed. I think we sort out some food.
Good night, guys.
Good night. That is day 4 done.
Had honestly a massive day.
No luck on the fishing, but I hope to do some first thing tomorrow morning.